Hello, welcome. If you'd like to know how to do these Dutch braids on yourself, then you came to the right place. Let's get started. For this hairstyle, I like to use a texture spray to be able to grip the hair better. And I make sure to brush it out. Then I go into parting the hair in the middle all the way down. I like to add spray to the hairline areas. I start at the front and make a triangle part. Now I pull it in the direction I'm going to be braiding and divide the hair into 3 sections. For the Dutch braid, you're going to bring the hair under each other. Once you've done this 3 times, you're going to start adding in hair. Hold the piece of hair you're about to bring under in place while you use your index finger to bring a section of hair to that piece. Then combine and bring under. You're going to repeat with the next section, holding in place, bringing hair to it, then combining and bringing it under. You're going to do the same with this section, holding in place, bringing hair to it, then combining, and then you're going to bring it under. You'll repeat these same steps down the braid. Bringing hair to it, then combining, then bringing the hair under. Moving on to your next section, holding in place, bringing hair to it, then combining and bringing under. Holding the piece in place, bringing hair to it, then combining, and then bringing under. Once you've added all the hair in, you can continue doing a normal 3-strand braid and then secure with an elastic. Now for the second side. I'm going to make a triangular part and pull it in the direction I'm going to be braiding and divide the hair into 3 sections. Bringing each section underneath each other. Once I've done that 3 times, I'm going to start adding in hair. Holding the section in place. Bringing hair to it. Combining and bringing under. And repeating, holding section in place, bringing hair to it, combining, and bringing under. Going to the next section, holding hair in place, bringing hair to it, combining, and bringing under, and repeat. I'd like to take this moment to thank you for watching this video. If you like hair tutorials like this, please support the channel by liking this video, hitting the subscribe button, and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. There will be a new video released each week on Sunday at 10 a.m. Once the braid is done, I like to pull at the sections to make the braid look fuller. Add some shine spray and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.